Yes, again on the mic. This is Quizdom Show ndani ya Keja ni moja. Kings TV without the only one, Mwalimu Musa on the house. Again tumekuja kuangalia how smart are you? How smart could you be pale hivyo mtaani? Natumai ya kwamba mnaendelea fiti kabisa pale hivyo mtaani. Saizi watoto wamefunga shule, mko pale hivyo mmetulia, nikasapa mnakula pale hivyo. Stay tuned guys. Today you must enjoy. Today in the house I have the kings only. Kama jinsi mnavyoona, I have the kings. Na wametulia because they know what they hold. I have 4 brilliant contestants again. Remember to continue following us on our social media platforms: Facebook, Kings TV, YouTube, Kings Fraternity, TikTok, Kings TV _13. WhatsApp number 0116-805-496. Drop comment yako hapo hivyo. Nari kabisa. Today we have come here to know. If you know, you know. If you don't know, we just confirm it. We are just going down to the structure board. We restructure. Are we together guys? Mko fiti? Hey, na zimetulia sana. Zimetulia sana. Mkoje? Mko poa? Are you ready to show dear viewers pale hivyo mtaani how smart are you? Wagwan. Nafurahia kuwa na nyinyi. Ni vizuri sana. Before we continue, tujue ni akina nani tuko nao ndani ya Keja. Na hao wanakaa kuwa wametulia sana. Acha tuanze na this side, si ndio? Inaonekana ya kwamba wanaweza fanya mambo. Acha tuanze hapa. Tujue unaitwa nani, unafanya nini, unaishi wapi?
Naitwa Sean. Nafanya kazi ya automotive. Naishi Limuru.
Okay. Wagwan. So baridi ndio imekuingia kidogo, unakaa kama umejikunja. Changamka baba, manake maswali zinakuja. Lazima uchangamke, sawa? Karibu sana.
Naitwa Rastas Mwanza. Nafanya automotive. Naishi Kasarani.
Hata unafanya automotive. So umeamua mimi leo mnanifunga na kunifungua. Tutaona. Karibuni sana. Welcome.
Mimi naitwa Aleko. Naishi pale Nyuki.
Wanasemanga boy light skin ni nini? Siongei. Sema.
Naitwa Aleko, naishi pale Nyuki. Nimefanya tu driving ya bado sijaingia course.
Oh, bado hujaingia course. Lazima litajipa, sawa? Lakini si uko smart. Wagwan, kuja unigawanye hapa. Karibu sana baba.
Wananitanga Champe. Mimi ni engineer. Nimetoka Thika.
Wagwan. Unasikia mimi nimetulia. Na mimi naitwa Mwalimu Musa. Hapa hivi ni Quizdom Show. This is Kings TV. Tumejuana. Group yenu inaitwa vipi? Blinders. Ni vizuri sana judge wangu behind the cameras anaitwa Beatrice Award. We have Blinders, si ndio? The other team Automotors. Umeamua Automotors kusonga. Wagwan. Dear viewers, I have 3 rounds. Round ni 3 za mwanaume. Today sina bonus round because the 3 rounds, each round inaenda for 100 points. Are we together? Hii nayo nimeambiwa na producer wangu anaitwa David Mureithi. Akaniambia hapana, hao majamaa usiwatese sana. Wape 100 point kila correct answer. Are you together? Round 1, quick fire question. Are you together? For team 1 I have your 10 question, and team B I have Blinders and Automotors.
Yeah.
Sindio? I have 10 good questions. You are ready guys?
Yes.
I'm gonna start right now. Mko ready? I'm gonna start right here. Mko fiti? Okay. Your 10 question start here. Remember, hii swali yako ni tano. Ukijibu yake mimi si hesabu hiyo point. For each correct answer 100 points. Are you together? I'm gonna start with you. Okay. What is the main economic activity in East Africa? Agriculture, correct. When was the first radio station established in Kenya, and which one? You don't know, wrong. It is 1927 Kenya Broadcasting Corporation, KBC. What is the name of the popular streaming service that produces original content? TikTok, wrong. It is Netflix. Which sport is known as king of sports? Football, correct. Nice one. I love it. Who won the FIFA World Cup in the year 2018? No idea. Thank you. It is France. So far so good. The other question. Who is the CEO of SpaceX?
No idea.
No idea. Thank you. It is Elon Musk. What is the largest mammal on the earth?
Elephant.
Elephant, wrong. It is blue whale. Munacheka wewe. Nice answers. I love it. It is not elephant. It is blue whale. What is the largest planet in our solar system?
Jupiter.
Jupiter, correct. What is the name of the current president of Uganda?
Yoweri Museveni.
Correct, Yoweri Museveni. I love it. What was the name of the conference held in Berlin in 1884 to 1885 that positioned Africa among European powers?
Berlin Conference.
Correct, Berlin Conference. You have it. I love it. Pigeni huyo jamaa makofi. Amejaribu hata kama ameniambia relevant. Ndio? Nice one. I love it. I love it, my G. Hey, Timbi. Mtawatoa? So far so good. I love it. Let's continue. Nataka, because next time nakuja with the queens, God willing. Nataka hawatafikisha point zenu, si ndio? Nataka tuone between kings and queens, who gonna make it? Are you together? Team B, are you ready for your 10 good questions? I'm gonna start with you, young man. Yeah? Okay, let me start with you. Okay, which team has won the most UEFA Champions League titles? Man U. Are you sure? Wrong. It is Real Madrid with 14 titles. Who discovered the theory of evolution through natural selection?
No idea.
No idea. It is called Charles Darwin. Say Charles Darwin, young man.
Charles Darwin.
Charles Darwin. Thank you very much. What is the symbol of gold?
Symbol of gold.
Yes. If you don't know, just say pass.
Pass.
Thank you. It is AU. What is the largest bone in the human body?
Pardon?
What is the largest bone in the human body? If you don't know, just say pass. Pass. Thank you. It is female. Who wrote the Harry Potter?
Yes.
Who wrote the Harry Potter series of the fantasy novel? No idea. Thank you. It is J.K. Rowling. So far so good. You have your point. Si umezisikia? Venye zinakuja, si ndio? Nice one. I love it. Hey, tunakuja kwako the other one. Okolea kikosi. Si ndio? Wako. Tena na ala baba. Okay, the first question. What is 5 times 3?
5 times 3.
Yes. Yes? 15.
Yeah.
Correct. You have it. Na ulikuwa umesema zaingine, uko na bahati sijasikia. 15. Correct. The other one, what is the largest lake in East Africa?
Lake Victoria.
Correct. Lake Victoria. What is the name of the popular East Africa dish made from maize meal?
Ugali.
Correct. Ugali. Who wrote Romeo and Juliet?
Pass.
Pass. Thank you. William Shakespeare. Which animal can't walk backward?
Fish.
Fish. Wrong. It is kangaroo. Say kangaroo.
Kangaroo.
Thank you very much. Kangaroo can't walk backward. So far so good. Sindio? You feel it?
Yeah.
You must be wise. Wagwan. Sindio? Mpigeni jamaa huyu makofi. Bwana amefanya kazi vipi? Nice one. I love it. That is round 1. Quick fire question. Sindio? Tamu tena sana. Sindio? You guys, are you ready for round 2? Sindio? Msikia vinyo wamekuja vizuri. Sindio? Hey, chungeni na nyinyi mchonge. Sindio? I wish you the best. Okay, tunaenda round 2. Round 2 include of history, science, geography, CRE. Are you together? Hapa tunarudi shule kiasi. Whatever mwenzako amechoose, you will go with the other one automatically. Are you together? For example, between history and science, I choose history, utaenda na science. Akichoose science, utaenda na history. Are you together guys? Sindio? Okay. Nataka tuanze between history and science. Kama nilivyoanza. Nilimalizia na nyinyi, si ndio? Kwa hivyo nafaa kuanza na hawa. Si ndio? Naanza na nyinyi. Thank you very much. Tuanza na nyinyi baba. Okay, between history and science, choose one baba.
History.
History. Thank you very much. Who was the leader of Soviet Union during World War II? Who was the leader of the Soviet Union during World War II?
Benito Mussolini.
No, it is Joseph Stalin. Are you together? But good trial. You must be wise. I love it. I love that one. Who was the famous African anti-colonial leader in Kenya? Who was the famous African anti-colonial leader in Kenya? If you don't know, just say pass. Quiz Jomo Kenyatta, which ancient African civilization built the pyramids of Giza?
Egyptians.
Yes?
The Egyptians.
The Egyptians. Correct, you have it. Thank you, but not the Egyptians, because of next time, just say ancient. Are you together? Ancient Egyptians. Are you together? But you got it. Okay. Who was the first president of Ghana after independence in 1957? Thank you very much. Correct. You have it. You must be wise in history. Who was the anti-apartheid leader who became the first black president of South Africa in 1994? Nelson Mandela. Makofi ya huyu jamaa. You must be wise. I love it. Nice one. Sikuwa na expect. Nilikuwa nategea niambie baba. Anyway, nice one. The other 5 good question goes to you, young man. Si ndio? Na sasa hizi zingine zinaenda kwa sayansi. Si ndio? Ama acha wamalizie zake tu zote, ndio tuende kwa science. Si ndio? Malizia zako baba. Okay. Which European power colonized Egypt in the late 19th century? British wrong. British wrong. It is Britain. Are you together? So British wrong, but Britain. So close. Thank you. Who was the famous scientist who developed the theory of relativity? Just say pass. Thank you, Albert Einstein. Are you together? Thank you very much. The other one, who was what was the name of the wall that divided East and West Berlin? I don't expect you to fill that one. A very simple one. 5, 4, 3.
The Great Berlin Wall.
The Great Berlin. Correct, you have it. Mpigeni makofi huyu jamaa kwa wise, ndio? Pigeni makofi ya huyu jamaa. Thank you. The other one, without wasting time, science. What is the chemical formula for water?
HO2.
HO2 wrong, it is H2O. What is the scientific term for the study of weather? What is the scientific term for the study of the weather? Pass. Thank you. It is meteorology. Are we together? The other one, it is, what is the process by which plant make their own food? Correct. You have it. What is the scientific term for the study of Earth ecosystem? No idea. It is called ecology. Say ecology. Ecology. Thank you very much. What is the largest organ of the human body? Skin. Correct, you have it. What is the term for the process by which water becomes ice?
Condensation.
Yes? Sorry? What is the term? Not the process. Not the process. I mean, what is the term for the process by which water becomes ice?
Freezing.
Freezing. You have it. Correct. You have your 100 points. What is the term for the process by which organisms become extinct? No idea. Thank you. Extinction. Are you together? Thank you very much. What is the symbol of potassium on the periodic table?
Potassium.
Yes. Thank you. It is K. Say K. Na jina yako maybe inaanza na K. It is K. Nice one. Hey, na time inasonga. Jameni, actually love it. Tunakuja to the other group. Are you together? But before nikuje kwenu, kwanza tukunywe maji alafu tena tunarejea. Stay tuned guys. We will be back in a short.
Petans Technical College is a technical college that trains hands-on skills to ensure you become experts in technical courses such as cosmetology, interior and event decor, fashion and design industry. We ensure you have the latest digital skills in the IT industry. We produce competent journalists and media personnel ready for the job market. Travel the world through our certified assistant caregiver course. Visit us at Kiambu, Petans Plaza and in all our branches. Call us today on 0707 490 390.
Oh my goodness, again we are back without wasting time. Remember, this is Quizdom Show with Mwalimu Musa. I have 4 brilliant contestants ndani ya Keja. This is Kings TV. Remember to follow us on all our social media platforms. Without wasting time, I was with the group Blinders. Sindio? Nilikuwa na ni Blinders ama ni Blinders? Blinders. Sindio? It is your time to shine, guys. I wish you all the best. Round 2, sindio? Between CRE and geography, choose one. CRE, thank you. Who was the first king of Israel? If you don't know, just say pass because of time. Who was the first king of Israel? Sema kwa sauti tusikie. King Solomon. Wrong. It is Saul. Who was the Roman governor who sentenced Jesus to death? Oh. You don't know it. Yes, Sema. You have time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Judas. Wrong. Judas alimkiss jameni. Judas alimkiss. Alimpiga. Wewe, no discussing. Round 2 hakuna discussion. Wewe tulia, yako inakuja. It is Pontius Pilate. See Pontius Pilate because of tomorrow. Pontius Pilate. Are you together? Thank you. Who baptized Jesus in the Jordan River? Yes, niko kwa baba. Okay, breathing. I understand how the temperature is. Breathing. Okay, tuendelee basi. Okay, out.
Yeah.
Nilikuwa nimeogoja ukose ku breathe in. Thank you. Let's continue. Who baptized Jesus in the Jordan River? No idea. John the Baptist. Mtu wa kanisa bana. What is the term for the biblical account of the creation of the world? What is the term for the biblical account of the creation of the world? No idea. Thank you. Genesis. Thank you. Mbona mwangalia vibaya? What is the term for the biblical account of the early Christian church? What is the term for the biblical account of the early Christian church? No idea. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It is Act of the Apostles. To make the work easier, naona nisifanye maisha yako ikuwe ngumu. Nataka, if you don't know, just say pass. Are you together? Sindio? Thank you very much. Tuendelee. You have 3 more questions. Who was the brother of Peter and one of the disciples of Jesus? Yes? Brother of Peter and one of Jesus' disciples. Yes. Who is he? Sema, ubona ajichegelea. Thank you. It is Andrew. What is the term for the act of giving thanks and praises to God? The act of giving thanks and praises to God. Hiyo hata nakupea. Uabudiwe Bwana. What is the answer? Pray. No, it is worship. Who was known for his faith and obedience to God? Moses. Wrong. It is Abraham, the father of faith. Thank you very much. I love how smart you are. Thank you very much. So automatically, young man, rather, automatically you go with the geography. Are you together? Fine. It is kama uko behind the scene, acha kucheka. Acha tuendelee. Ona. You are an engineer, sindio? Geography unamaliza. Sawa? I assure you. I wish you all the best. I wish you awesome. Are you together?
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Let's go. Are you ready? Sindio? I like it actually. Okay. What is the largest lake in Africa again? What is the largest lake in Africa?
Lake Victoria.
Lake Victoria. Correct. You have it. Which city is the largest in United Arab Emirates? Dubai. Correct. You have it. Makofi yake bana. Thank you. I love it. So far so good. Which river forms part of the border between the United States and Mexico? Which river forms part of the border between the United States and Mexico? Amazon. Wrong. It is Rio Grande. Are you together? Thank you very much. Which country is the largest in the world by land area? By land area. Which country is the largest in the world by land area? 5. Pass. Thank you. It is Russia. Are we together? Because of tomorrow, it is Russia. Which river flows through the city of London? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you. It is the river Thames. Are you together? The other one. Which mountain range? Which mountain ranges? Which mountain range runs along the border between Uganda and DRC? A very simple one, by the way. Very simple one. You have this one. No, it is Rwenzori Mountain. Good guess though. Thank you. Thank you. I love it. I love it. Which river is the longest in East Africa? Correct. You have it. The Nile River. What is the capital of Iraq?
Palestine.
No, it is Baghdad. Baghdad. So far so good. Nataka tuende round ya 3. Mbio tena zaidi. Round ya 3, if you know, kwa group yako nikiuliza swali, if you know, snap answer. Are we together? Thank you. This one, there is kuna riddles. Between riddles and sport, ni gani mnasikia mkiwa comfortable nyinyi nayo? Between riddles and sport. Zungumza hiyo sasa. Na nyinyi, between Swahili and food and culture, choose one. Swahili and food and culture, choose one. You choose Swahili. So Swahili and you sport. Thank you. Ni sawa? Mmekubaliana? Ni sawa, sports and Swahili, si ndio? Acha tuanze na sport, manake iko tu hapa. Okay. Hey, mumeamua riddle zangu hamtaki na venye zilikuwa tamu. Okay, sports. If you know, just snap and answer. Are we together? Just answer. Twende kwenda, si ndio? Okay. Which team won the first NBA game in 1946? Which team won the first NBA game in 1946? Unaweza discuss hiyo, yes? 5, 4, 3, yes? 2. No, it is New York Knicks. New York Knicks. The other one. What does GOAT stand for in sports? What does the word GOAT stand for in sports? A very simple question. Maji, yena mkikosa the word GOAT. The word GOAT. Mnaweza kuwa mnajua? Mnaweza wapea 50 points. Mnaweza kuwa mnajua? Okay, sema.
Greatest of all time.
Thank you. Give them 50 points. Thank you. Greatest of all times. Let's continue with your questions. Who has scored the most goals in a calendar year? Who has scored the most goals in a calendar year?
In this calendar.
In a calendar year. Yes. Who? Hata sijui in a calendar year. Ni nani wewe? Unajua nani amescore mambo mingi sana? Are you sure? Haaland. Mko sure ni yeye? Okay. Umesema Haaland na wewe?
Lamine.
Okay. Okay, sawa basi na nyinyi? Messi 91. Mko sure? Nice one. These guys are smart. Though you hamtapata point. Pana, nimekataa. Nimekataa. Ama mnataka? Endeleeni kutaka. The other one. Who is the all-time leading scorer in EPL? Who is the all-time leading scorer in the EPL? Mnamjua? Kijana Bronski na hapo hivyo. Mnaweza kuwa mnajua hiyo. Hiyo mnaweza kwenda na point ama nyinyi. Mnajua? Who is the all-time leading scorer in the EPL? 5, 4.
Unajua?
No, 3, 2. No, wrong. It is not Haaland. Mnaweza kuwa mnajua? Waambieni. Alan Shearer, for sure you have it. Ni hiyo. Si ndio? Wapea 50 point. My judge behind the scene. Thank you very much. Who won the 2019 Formula 1 World Champions? Who won the 2019 Formula 1 World Championship? Yes. Sorry for that. Unaweza kuwa mnajua? Yes? Pass. Thank you very much. I love it. Unaweza kuwa mnajua hiyo?
No.
Hamwezi kuwa mnajua. Anaitwa Lewis Hamilton. Si ndio? Unasikia mtu behind the scene anafahamu tena sana. Big up sana my director David Maiwa. Anafahamu sport tena sana. Kiswahili, si ndio? Tuingie teki. Fasihi ni nini? Mnafahamu fasihi? Je, fasihi simulizi. Okay, twende basi. Fasihi ni nini basi?
Fasihi.
Yes, fasihi ni nini?
Ni simulizi inayotumika.
Inayotumika
na jamii. And then in a pass from one generation
to another one. I love it. You have the idea, though you janipea the correct one. I expected you to see this. Ni sanaa ya lugha, although utapewa point zako chwani. Sawa. Okay, ni sanaa ya lugha inayowasilisha mawazo kwa ubunifu. Si ndio? Ukiendelea sasa ndio ina pass information from one generation to another one. Si ndio? I love it. Okay. Kidagaa kimemwozea. Nani aliyekiandika hiki kitabu? Kidagaa kimemwozea. Nani aliyekiandika? Hamna. You don't have any clue? Hamna. Thank you. Anaitwa Ken Walibora. Are you together? Nomino ni nini basi? Nomino ni nini? Nomino. Si mlichoose Kiswahili, si ndio? Thank you. I love it.
Ni jina la kitu au mahali.
Thank you. Give them 100 point because ni neno linalotaja jina la mtu, mnyama, kitu au mahali. Si ndio? You have it. Toa mfano mmoja wa fasihi simulizi. Kama nayo uelewi fasihi simulizi ni nini, huwezi nipea mfano. Kwa hivyo lazima kwanza ujue fasihi simulizi ni nini. Haya basi, nipe mfano mmoja wa fasihi simulizi. 5. Hadithi. Correct. You have it. Give them their points. Kiwakilishi ni nini basi?
Kiwakilishi.
Naam.
Ni neno linalotumika kuwakilisha nomino.
Thank you. You have it. Umeokolea kikundi. Umeokolea kikosi. I love this. Fantastic. Hey. Nafahamisha tena yetu nayo imeweza kuenda. Na imeenda tena sana. But I had a few questions, like just 2 questions for each and every group. My director, kindly just allow me to ask this. Kindly. Just 2 questions. Si ndio? Na iko kwa food and culture. Zote ziko kwa food and culture. 2 questions. Okay. What is the Swahili dish made of rice and spiced meat called? What is the Swahili dish made of rice and spiced meat called? Pilau. You have it. Hata mumesema atai, si ndio? Thank you. Ni pilau. The other question. What is the Luo community's traditional fish dish called? What is the Luo community's traditional fish dish called? 5, 4, 3, 2, sema. Thank you. It is omena ama silver need. Mnajua hiyo? Hamkuwa mnajua, sasa mnajua. The other question iko kwenu. Ni ya food and culture, si ndio? Kama unajua just answer. What is the Kikuyu traditional brew made from sugarcane and honey? Muratima. Thank you. You have it. Makofi yake. I love this one. What is the Kikuyu dish made from mashed potatoes, maize and greens? Mokimo. You have it. 100 points. Thank you very much. Let's take a short commercial break. We'll be right back with the winner. Thank you.
Petans Technical College is a technical college that trains hands-on skills to ensure you become experts in technical courses such as cosmetology, interior and event decor, fashion and design industry. We ensure you have the latest digital skills in the IT industry. We produce competent journalists and media personnel ready for the job market. Travel the world through our certified assistant caregiver course. Visit us at Kiambu, Petans Plaza and in all our branches. Call us today on 0707 490 390.
Ladies and gentlemen, right now we are back and we are back to know who is going home with the crown. Who is this? Who is most shining upstairs? Yani ako fiti kabisa, ameamua yeye kutesa nayo kimaswali, anabwaga yote. Thank you very much. Today ndani ya Keja I had Outer Motors and I had Blinders. Kazi safi imefanywa hapa hivi na my judge anaitwa Beatrice Award. Big up tena sana. Na ameniambia hivi, wamefanya kazi fiti. Wote wanapelekana hivi kwa hivi, lakini kuna mwingine ameachwa na marks kama dhao moja hivi. Anyway, rada safi. Lazima tujue nani mshindi. Mko fiti? Najua mpenzi mtazamaji unajiuliza kiti kwa nini kimekuwa wazi. Amesikia ya kwamba ni kama joto imekuwa mingi, akasema kwenye maji atarejea tukienda na crown nyumbani. Anyway, ni sawa basi, utamrepresent, si ndio? Si ndio? Wagwan, usiogope, hakuna maswali mengine, ziulize swali lingine, ni hivyo. We are here to know who is the winner. For example, ukute hawa ndo wamekuwa winners. Utachukulia lile jambo vipi?
Kushindwa pia ni kushinda.
Kushindwa pia ni kushinda, si ndio? For example, mpate ni wao wamekuwa winners. Mtachukulia lile jambo vipi? Thank you very much. I love that. Okay, let's go. Okay, I hand the Outer Motors and I hand the Blinders. Na mimi katikati I had the Mwalimu Musa. Now, Mwalimu Musa had the question and then now the contestant wamekuja hivi. Blinders, they had 800 points. Blinders, they had 800 points. Wapigie makofi au tuwapigie makofi. They had 800 points. Outer Motors, they had 1,850 points. 1,850 points. Makofi ya majamaa. Wamefanya kazi fiti. Si ndio? Kazi poa, si ndio? Jamaa, you had 1,800 points. Sema kitu. Manake your group ya Outer Motors ndio mmeibuka kuwa washindi. Na mmewacha wengine with 1,050 points. How do you feel?
Of course we must feel great. Yeah.
Okay, sema kitu. Wewe sema tu ama washindi wananga mambo mengi.
Ndio, washindi wana mambo mengi.
Na watu wa Mani wakishinda wanakuanga na mambo mengi. Kuwa na mambo mengi. Wewe ni wa timu gani kwanza? Liverpool. Ndio maana basi tunawaelewa. In a way. Thank you very much. Actually, you have done great. It was awesome. Sawa. Sema jambo baba. You have done your best. Sindio? I just love it. Siari na kanisa mko hivi. Sindio? I love that one. I love it actually. It was awesome. Sindio? Sema kitu. Imekuwa poa.
Nataka nimeuma nje.
Anaona nje. I love it. Ni kijana light skin. Napenda hiyo by the way, hata kukuja kuitikia kukalia that hot seat, it is not easy, si ndio? Big up tena zaidi. Baba, sema kitu.
Show imekuwa fiti. It was somehow challenging. Next time we promise to pull up and to figure DCC hapo hivyo juu. The next thing is like nirudishie Kings Fraternity, shukran kwa kutuinvite.
Oh, go on.
Yeah, like na mnafanya kazi poa.
Oh, go on tena zaidi manzi. Big up tena sa. Unaweza taka next time ukuje na mtu, ujitafutie mtu mkuje na yeye.
Yeah, siwezi kataa.
Unaweza taka next Wednesday nikuite mkue Kings and Queens.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah.
So you are ready next Wednesday nikuite.
Yeah, lazima ni.
Ladies and gentlemen, next Wednesday huyu jamaa atakuwa na atakuja na mtu wake. Yeah. Si ndio? Ladies and gentlemen, imekuwa ni kipindi hewani, kimekuwa ni Quizdom Show ndani ya Keja. Keja imekuwa ni moja peke yake. Kings TV na mimi Mwalimu Musa. Big up to every person mwenye ameparticipate. Uko hivyo behind the cameras, my cameraman, kila mtu, my producer David Muridhi, kila mtu, my director, everybody. Big up tena zaidi. Beatrice Award, umefanya kazi fiti tena zaidi. Big up, I salute you all. Till next time guys. Tonight it was I, Mwalimu Musa, with Quizdom Show. Bye bye.